another video. Welcome back to Turbo Trouble. Today, this is a pre-made to Urban Werks Cars and Coffee. And of course, you got the C8 right here. I came late, but I'm leading pack. So to start off, I'm going to give you guys a little pre-meet montage. I'm at a loss for words. I mean, like, listen to the idle of this thing. This thing sounds sick. And we are off. We got the Huracán up front, this Audi right in front of me, and then the C8, and then right behind me another Audi. This is going to be a good show. From here, I see a Ferrari and I see a GT3. Wow. Wow. RS6 right here, 911 Turbo S, old classic Turbo S, and there's a Ferrari just went in front of that Lamborghini inside here. But apparently they want me on the ramp, so this is gonna be fun.
Cut it, cut it. All right, go back slow, real straight. Slow.
Here we are, and here's a good view of all the cars that are coming in the back, and they're still coming in. We have cars in the front parking lot, inside this building, and on the side over there. Cars wrapped around everywhere. Supercars on the inside, so stay tuned. So many cars here that we had to double stack on this ramp. They're gonna have to double stack on that ramp over there. As for the front parking lot, it's not that much up front. That's like super exciting, but pretty sure this is a swapped 1JZ G35 coupe. So starting inside of Urban Werks, there's Ferrari right here, Huracán here, Huracán there, Audi R8 there, Porsche GT3 right there, Audi R8, Audi R8, Audi R8. Let's start with this Audi R8. This is actually twin turbo. Yes, this is a masterpiece. Look at the exhaust. It's a quad exhaust. You have two of the big exhausts right here, and you have tiny ones tucked right under. Wow. You already know that this Audi R8 deserves its own montage. Wow. Look how thick these tires are. Can you come over here? Look how thick these tires are. Wow. Now we're gonna check out this Huracán right here. Now I gotta stop the montage because I think it's twin turbo. Count of one, and then count two. Okay, back to the twin turbo montage. And right here we have a Ferrari F12. I mean, just look at how huge this hood is. Wow, this is a V12 in this car, by the way. So that actually makes up for why the hood is so long. Unlike certain BMWs that only have an inline 6 and the hood is just as long. I just met Dirty Max Jack, and I didn't even know it was Dirty Max Jack, but I met him and I got a photo. See? So that's pretty much it for the inside. I'm gonna give you guys one more montage of just all the cool cars maybe that I didn't get to go over, and then we're gonna move on to the outside. So as soon as you come outside, GTR R35. It's just something about these 992s that are just getting with me. I think it's the rims. Wow. I would have never thought that green and gold went together, but on this car, it goes together. And no, this is not a GT3. This is actually a beast of its own, the undefeated 911 Turbo S. Now this even has the matching green stitch on the interior and green on the gauge cluster. Now I've never seen one of these in person. An RS6 wagon. It's got the wide exhaust. I mean, look at my fist compared to the exhaust. Wow. And this RS6 is very long. Now you guys have to check out this BMW right here. And no, I'm not making fun of the owner or the Supra community. He actually has a BMW badge on the car. Absolutely love Supras. This is like a dream car. Like, wow. And these things from the factory just sound nasty. Nothing can touch a twin turbo V10. But that's gonna be it for this video. Let me know down in the comments below what was your favorite car in this video. For me, I'm going with the twin turbo Audi R8. I can't beat that. You can't beat that. But yes, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.